एयर इंडिया के पायलट भी कोरोना वायरस की लपेट के विच आ चुके हैं। एयर इंडिया के 5 पायलट कोरोना पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं। उड़ान भरन तो 72 घंटे पहला हुई जांच के विच इन्हां नूं कोरोना वायरस पॉजिटिव पाया गया। ये सारे पायलट मुंबई विच ने अते पॉजिटिव पाए जाण तो बाद इन्हां नूं मैडिकल निगरानी दे विच रखिया गया। पायलटां नूं क्वारंटीन कर दिता गया। अमेरिका ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਅੰਬੈਸਡਰ ਤਰਨਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸੰਧੂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਭਾਰਤ ਨੇ ਸਾਬਤ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਮਹਾਮਾਰੀ ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਭਾਰਤ ਤੋਂ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਂਝੇਦਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਸੰਧੂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਦੇਸ਼ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ 3 ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਤੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
Whatever facilities we required, they have provided. You have touched a very interesting point. That is about the cooperation between India and United States on the medical side. Now, this has been forthcoming. It is much deeper than what people know about. In fact, both ICMR and here CDC and NIH have been collaborating for a number of years. And in fact, about 2 or 3 years back, we together developed a vaccine for another virus. It's called rotavirus. It has helped not only in India, in United States, many other countries. So this time around too, there is close cooperation, exchange of information, plus, as I said, collaboration. There are at least 3 vaccines on which Indian companies and the United States companies are working together. Besides that, we are an important part of the supply chain, and this particular crisis has certainly shown to United States, if not the world over, that India is a reliable partner. Whatever assistance they required in terms of the supply chain, India has been able to fulfill that, and this has been acknowledged by the highest level in the US government, but also at the people level. On the basis of from where people are from India, where they wanted to go, that's the analysis which we did, and finally that's how the stations have been picked up in India where the flights are going. So we have a total of 25,000 people who have registered. In the first week, we are going to take 7 flights, and this will be a continuous work in progress, depending upon how the requirements come, where the people wish to go in India, and what the local situation is allowing. That is both medically as well as connections. And on that basis, we will continue further after the first week. Air India has taken all the necessary precautions, and there is a very clear Ministry of Home Affairs directive on that, on the travel. That will be implemented. But before the passengers board the flight, their checkup will be done, and it will be ensured that people who are asymptomatic, they get on the flight.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ ਜੋਸ਼ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਜਨੂਨ।